Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today's topic of my video is Vedic maths. So let's start. Vedic maths. Vedic maths was given by Jagadguru Shankaracharya Swami Bharti Krishna Tirth. He got 16 sutras, which we can also say as 16 formulas to make our maths problem easier and faster. He claimed that he learned all these tricks by the studies of ancient Vedas. That's why he called it as Vedic maths. He has compiled all his work in a book called Vedic Maths, and the world is very thankful today for his contribution in the field of maths. This book you can easily find anywhere in any library or in any bookstore, or online also you can buy it. This is a book which I think all the students must have at their home. So let's start with a trick. The first trick is very easy. It is squaring of a number with unit digit 5. This trick is specifically for those numbers whose unit digit is 5. So my first example is 25 into 25. You can see here unit digit is 5. What is square of 5? It is 25. So last two digits will always be 25. Now check another number. What is it? 2. You have to multiply this number by its successor. What is the successor of 2? It is 3. So 2 into 3 is 625. So our answer is 625. Now let's come to 3-digit number. 105 into 105. Last two digit will be square of 5. That is 25. Now here we have 2 digits left. So we will take both the digits together. 10. What is the successor of 10? It is 11. So 10 into 11 is 110. So our answer is 11025. Now the third one is 115 into 115. Again in the same way, last two digits will be 25 and 11 multiplied by its successor, which will be 12. 11 into 12 is 132. So let's check our answer also here. So 115 into 115. What is the answer? 13225. 105 into 105. Again 11025. So yes, you got it correct. Keep practicing this trick, then only you will have a command on it. So let's start with the second trick. Our second trick is multiplication of two digits in which sum of units digit is 10. Again, this trick is applicable only for two digits in which, or if you are using for more than two digits, as I have taken third example, you can see here, you will come to know how to do this. But the condition is sum of the unit digit will always be 10. So you can see 24 into 26. Here unit digit is 4. Here unit digit is 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. So what you have to do is multiply the unit digits. What is 4 into 6? 24. Now check this number. What is this number? 2. Again multiply 2 to its successor. What is successor of 2? It is 3. So 2 into 3, 624. Easy. Now let's come to the second example. 58 and 52. 8 plus 2 is 10. Again multiply unit digits. 8 into 2, it will be 16. Multiply this number 5 to its successor. Successor of 5 is 6. So 5 into 6, 30. 3016. Now let's take the example of a 3-digit number. 8 plus 2, 10. So 8 into 2 is 16. Now here we have 11. So take the successor of 11. Successor of 11 is 12. So 11 into 12 is 132. So our answer is 13216. Let's check our answer. So 112 into 118. 13216. Correct answer. Now 58 into 52. 3016. Correct answer. 24 into 26. Let's check the answer. 624. It is correct, right? So this is also an easy trick. Practice it and you will learn it. Now let's come to the third trick. This third trick is applicable for multiplication of two digit numbers which is lying between 11 and 19. So in this trick what we have to do is, you can see, take out of these two numbers, take any number 13 and multiply the unit digit of other number to this. So here unit digit is 8, multiply here 13 plus 8, it will become 21, right? Now you can see that it has units place and tens place. So in the second, this is step number 1. In step number 2, what will you do? You will multiply the sum by 10. Why? Because it is a two digit number. So your answer is 210. Now third step is multiply the unit digit of both the numbers. What is the unit digit here? 3 into 8, 24. Add this and this. So 210 plus 24. Your answer will be 234. Now let's check the second example. 19 into 7. Same thing. Step 1. Choose any number. Add the unit digit of another number. It is 19 plus 7 is 26. Multiply it by 10. You will get 260. Then multiply the unit digit here. 9 into 7 is 63. So 260 plus 63, our answer will be 323. Here 16 into 14, so choose 16 plus 4, it is 20 into 10 plus 6 into 4. So this is 200 plus 24, which is 224, right? So now let's check our answer also. So here 16 into 14, 224, correct answer. 19 into 17, I'm sorry, this is 17. 19 into 19 into 17, 323. Then we have 13 into 18. So our answer is 234. So you can see it is correct. So I hope you all have enjoyed today's tricks. Keep practicing them, then only you will have a command on this. And if you have enjoyed today's class, today's video, please like, share and subscribe. And for more updates, keep following. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.